Okay, you're welcome to MATRICS. We'll continue with our former tutorial, and today we'll be taking an example of addition of matrices. This one I will not be showing my face, I'm sorry, but I believe you will understand. So we have a problem here. We have to solve this example and solution. Add the matrices. If given A equals to 4, 5, 2, 7, 3, 6 and B is equals to 1, 3, 8, 5, 9, 4. Remember, for you to add any matrix, the order of that matrix is very important. So this one will check the order first before we proceed on addition. So we write the first matrix in order: 7, 3, 7, 6, 6, close bracket, then close, open the other bracket, we have 1, 8, 9, 3, 5 and 4. So if you check this matrix here, this is a 2 by 3 matrix and this is also a 2 by 3 matrix. As such, the order is the same. We can add this matrix. So this will be the same thing as we take this matrix 1, we'll add this. That is, we'll have 4 plus 1, then we take 2 and 8, 2 plus 8, we have 3 and 9, 3 plus 9, we have 5, 5 plus 3, then we have 7 plus 5, then we have finally 6 plus 4. So when we add this, this will give us the same thing as, open bracket, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, this plus this will give us 10, this plus this will give us 12, and then finally this plus this will give us 12 and 10. So when you add these two matrices of the same order, they will give you also a matrix of such order. So this is an example of addition of matrices. I would like to take addition of matrices using a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's take a second example under addition. Second example under addition. We have given two matrices of same order, this time a square matrix. A equals to, open bracket, 8, 3, 6, 5, 2, 7, 1, 0, 4, close bracket. Then we have matrix B is equal to, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Solution. If A plus B will be equal to, open bracket, 8, 3, 6, 5, 2, 7, 1, 0, 4, close bracket, plus, open bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the same order, just as we solve the first example of addition, we go the same way. This one is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this will give us the same thing as A plus 1, 3 plus 2, 6 plus 3. We have 5 plus 4. We have 2 plus 5. We have 7 plus 6. We have 1 plus 7, 0 plus 8, and finally we have 4 plus 9. So this, when we arrange it this way, now arrive at the final answer by having 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 1 plus 7 is 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 0 plus 8, 8, and 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 6 is 13. Finally, we have 4 plus 9 is also 13. So when you add these two matrices of the same order, they will still give you a matrix of that order. Looking at this example, this is what we arrive at. Please remember to like, share, and comment on this channel. Thank you very much, and see you on the next tutorial on multiplication and subtraction of matrices. See you then. Thank you very much.